Hey guys, it is Info Girl. I hope everyone is doing well. And if you are new here, then welcome. And make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you enjoy me bringing you information on ways that you can get access to high limit credit cards, whether you have good credit or whether you have bad credit. Now, in this video, we will be going over the Discover It Secured credit card. Now, the good thing about this credit card is you can pre qualify without no hard impact to your credit score whatsoever. Now, as you guys can see, they have the check now or the apply now. So, the difference between these is if you click the check now, you can get a pre approval. And if you hit the apply now, they will automatically approve or deny you. Okay. And you will get a hard inquiry either way, but you will get a hard inquiry if you hit the apply now. Now, another thing about this credit card is there is no annual fee, no credit score required to apply for this credit card. Now, I do think this is a great credit card, especially if you have no credit history or if you have bad credit. Now, the thing with the bad credit is if you have bad credit and you apply for this credit card, they will look at your overall credit profile versus someone with no credit history whatsoever. Now, this credit card does not have any annual fees or monthly fees. And another great thing about this credit card is you can get cashback rewards. So you can get 2% cash back, so earn 2% cash back bonus at gas stations and restaurants on up to $1,000 in combined purchases each quarter automatically, plus earn unlimited 1% cash back on all other purchases. You can also earn 1% cash back, earn unlimited 1% cash back on all of your other purchases, and you can also get 2 times cash back unlimited dollar for dollar match of all cash back you can earn at the end of the first year automatically. There is no limit to how much they will match you. So, again, this credit card is good for someone with bad credit, and you can also enjoy the benefits of getting real rewards and cash back. So, that is a plus because you don't really see a lot of secured credit cards with cashback rewards. Now, another thing about this credit card is they do have a really high APR, but again, you have to look at that this card is a secured credit card and it would definitely help you build your personal credit if you have no credit. Now, another awesome thing about this credit card is you can get your security deposit back after 7 months. They will review your personal account to see if you qualify to upgrade to a unsecured card, and you will also get your security deposit back. Okay, so this can be a win win for someone who has no credit history, or again, if they have a lower credit score. But keep in mind, with a lower credit score, they're going to look at your overall credit profile. Also, if you decide to put a higher amount down for your security deposit, say if you don't want to do 200, but you want to do 500, you will have a $500 credit limit. Now, another thing, if you go ahead and hit the see if you're approved, um, as you guys can see, the application process is very simple and straightforward. Um, and they don't require any documentation whatsoever. They do ask if you are a student. They do have additional rewards for people that are students as well. So, this is the pre approval form. And then, if you guys go to the apply now, which is skipping the pre approval, they're going to ask you for your zip code, the last 4 digits of your social, and your date of birth. And then they're going to go ahead and have you go to the next section, which will be an approval or denial. Or if you're approved, they will go ahead and show you the amount that you are pre approved for. Now, that does not guarantee you, let's say, if you were pre approved for the credit card, that does not guarantee that you will or will not be approved. Again, this is all based on credit worthiness, even though they don't require a credit history. or again, if you have bad credit. So, if you guys did enjoy this video where I brought you some information on the Discover credit card, make sure that you hit the like, share, and subscribe button and the notification bell so every time I post a new video, and you could be notified.